Okay, today I thought we'd try slow motion on the GoPro Hero 8 because I'm waiting for paint to dry down in the garage, and slow-mo, there we go, slow-mo, there we go. No, not activity, we want slow-mo, where are you? Slow-mo. So slow motion is 1080 by 240 frames per second wide angle. So we'll give that a go. We'll just see if we can change that at all. Wide angle, 240, no. Yeah, no, that's all good. That's what we want. So we'll try that, and let's see what sort of footage we get. So I dusted off the air rifle. A bit of fun outside. I was a bit disappointed with the GoPro because I couldn't download. The computer wouldn't handle. The computer wouldn't handle the GoPro footage at all, so I had to download a third-party program called Handbrake and change the format of the GoPro image, which downgraded from what it should be, but anyway, it's a bit of fun. Those cans of suntan lotion were expired, so I had to use those. You can see the GoPro footage isn't the best. Something with Codec, C-O-D-E-C. In normal GoPro footage and then just slowed it down in the program when I was editing it. This is quite spectacular. Like a Catherine wheel. Here's the reverse. Right, GoPro, where is it? GoPro got covered in suntan lotion. Man, it was funny as. Split the old grapefruit in two. I don't know how I broke that. That wasn't supposed to happen. Got broken in takeoff. And there's the dead marines. That was a bit of humour. Let's do that again one day. Anyway, we'll see what the slow motion is like. It was crap. after I've cleaned it up. Won't stop now. Here we go. Tink. Yeah, that was a bit of humour, tubes. Thanks for watching. We'll go and put it on the computer and see what the slow motion looks like on that. See you later. From inside the bubble.